Here we have been given a quadratic equation in which c is a constant. For what values of c does the equation have only one solution? So note that a quadratic equation will have only one solution when the value of the discriminant is equal to 0. And what is the discriminant? This is b squared minus 4ac. So this needs to be equal to 0. Now, what do a, b, and c represent? Well, we have our quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, what's our quadratic equation? Let's have a look over here. We have 9x squared plus cx plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we compare these two, we'll see that a is 9, b is c, and c is 1. So let's plug in these values. So for b squared, we're going to end up with c squared. Then we have minus 4 times a is 9, times c is 1. So this is equal to 0. So we end up with c squared minus 4 times 9 times 1, that's 36. This is equal to 0. So c squared is equal to 36. This will imply that c is equal to plus or minus the square root of 36. We're taking the square root on both sides of the equation to obtain this. And always remember that when we're taking the square root, we need to take both square roots, so plus or minus. And so we end up with plus or minus the square root of 36, which is 6. So c is plus or minus 6. And so our correct option is going to be option C, -6 and 6.